Yes, Q. People online go crazy for slime videos. Look, it's already got strawberries. Just 1 like.
Yep.
Thanks, Charlie.
You've got to give the people something they've never seen before. Look, now that's fresh.
Something they've never seen before.
Ah! Hiss, what have you done?
Wow. Father?
Oh, quick! In the store!
Yes, they have slushies.
Father?
I can't talk right now. Son?
Lock everything!
What is this? Probably some nerd science experiment gone wrong.
Ha! Wrong, Daisy. It was actually some cool boys science experiment going on.
Pierce, this is your slime?
Back in the bag! Pierce, I knew this was you!
What? I just found some essence of slime.
The mysterious slime has now taken over this entire community, with the exception of a lone convenience store. How is it up there in the studio?
This is really happening.
Is absurd. I have cats at home who need these nappies. I'm leaving.
Mrs. Wilson, wait! What if we need your army of cats to help us?
Goodbye.
Everyone's cool to stay inside, right?
Can anyone hear that?
Yes, Mr. Helsing!
Chores team, there's only one way to defeat a monster of this size. So listen closely and do exactly as I...
Oh, what was he gonna say? Pierce, who could be calling you? Everyone's been eaten by slime, and no one calls anyone anymore.
Hello? Is that you, Father?
What? The slime monster's calling you?
Are you proud of me? Look at all the likes I have given you. We are going viral.
You dream about this day for so long, and then it comes and you don't know what to say.
Just reason with it, Pierce. Tell him he's had his fun, he's swallowed the town, and now tell him to back off.
I'm very proud of you, son.
What? You're proud of it? Tell it to shrink down!
No, I shall continue to grow for you, Father, until I consume the whole universe.
What?
Join with me, Father.
Oh, strawberries.
Quick, into the cold room!
No, one of us has to go back for that slice of pizza. Chapman! Help!
Son! What are you doing?
Come on, Pierce!
Father, let me in. Film me as I absorb these humans. It will make you a viral superstar.
No! That's too far! Bad slime, son!
We've got to fix this, Pierce!
Okay, if it's like my other slime, it will lose structural integrity if we douse it with, sugar water. I'm so sorry, Virtual Trophy.
Sugar water? Where are we going to find that? Hey! Slime monster! Stay frosty.
It's working!
Father? What are you doing?
It's not enough! We need something that is a pure liquid sugar hit.
Pure liquid sugar hit? Try every flavor. At once.
Father, we are so close. We will have 1 million likes.
You will always have 1 million likes. In my heart. I'm sorry, Slime Monster. My son.
Chapman, slime in love with you.